As I said earlier, we are anticipating a serious standoff between police and the protesters. As you can see, police are here. They have just fired a stun grenade. People are running in their numbers. People are running in their numbers. I've just been shot with a rubber bullet. I've just been shot with a rubber bullet. People are throwing in stones. It's hectic here. It's hectic here. We have to run for... We have to run now. I can see police are shooting people at close range. I was on the firing line. I've just been hit by a rubber bullet, but it's okay. It's part and parcel of the work. It's part and parcel of the work. Let's see what's happening. The people have dispersed in their numbers. I'm not sure if they've arrested anyone at this point, but I can see people are running into the bushes. This is Mkopane now. It resembles a war zone. Police are after the people who were gathering in their numbers to protest. These are the people who said they are going to hand over a memorandum. But unfortunately, because there was another group which is called the anti-protest group, police couldn't allow them to go in. So at this stage, they are unable to move in. In the last minute or so, this place was packed. There were a lot of people here who were ready to clash with police. But after the throw of the stun grenade, people started running in their numbers. I can see the Nyala is making some serious dance there. They are running towards the crowd. I'm not sure what's going to happen. There's a man who's seated down there. It looks like he's injured. I see his comrades are coming. They are in a car trying to lift him into the car. He was shot at close range. I'm not sure if he was part of the protesters, but he is there. He is there. Let me move back so that I don't get to the shot of my cameraman. They are here in their numbers. They are here in their numbers. Unfortunately, today I was in the receiving end. I also get to taste the rubber bullet. I was shot somewhere on the thigh. But it's fine. It's part and parcel of the work. I'm okay. There goes Wulisan, our cameraman. He's going closer. He's going closer. He's going to take a shot of the guy who was shot. Maybe Huli will go closer. Let's go see if we can see the injury on the guy. It seems like he's not running. I'm not sure if he was not part of the match. It looks like he's injured. Let's see what he says. He says he was shot while seated. Let's see. Huli, maybe you can go closer on your camera mic. He will explain what happened. Huli, please go closer on a camera mic. He will explain what happened. Police are still here. They are loading. It looks like they are ready. It looks like they are ready. Boss? He's coming with a camera mic. Speak closer to the camera. What happened? Okay, let's allow him to speak. Let's hear what happened.
Yeah. This is too much and this is nonsense.
I saw the police. I was sitting here. And when I tried to stand up, I had a shot here at the back. I'm not so sure how many. This is the there was no. But that's how we're going to
I saw there was another lady with a rubber bullet. Yo, sure. Wait, Mancha, microphone. I was seated. Yo, this is bad. Where were you seated?
I was sitting at eating.
So there was not even a warning shot?
There was no warning shot.
And these guys, they went where I'm working. They said I must come to work or else. This is their what else that is happening here.
No, it looks like people are injured. At this stage, we are not sure as to how many are injured, but it's I'm not going to and they are starting to gather again. They are planning not to run away. They are still here on their numbers. Mancha. Okay, I'm moving out of the shot. These people are gathering. Police are still here. They are correct. There was no warning shot. A stun grenade was thrown into the crowd. From there, they started firing rubber bullets. I'm not sure as to what provoked police to a point where they can start shooting without even firing a warning shot. But the place is clear now. We only have one Nyala remaining. The rest of the police officers are chasing the masses who have ran into the township. Some are scattered. They are in town. You have seen their injuries. We've got people who are injured. And as you can see over there, police have blockaded the road. We can see still hear the sirens. We are not sure as to how many people are injured, but that's Mkopani for you today.